Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The title of our lesson today is Mega Goal 5, page 6 plus 7. نفتح صفحة 6. نبدأ بأول نقطة عندنا واللي هي Listen and discuss. استمع وناقش. Number 1. Name some famous husband and wives from history. Tell the most legendary story you know of a famous couple. قم بإعطاء أسماء لأزواج وزوجات من التاريخ. أخبرنا بأكثر قصة أسطورية حدثت لهؤلاء أو لهذين الزوجين. Number 2. Read the text about some famous marriages from history. Do you think their marriage made it easier for them to achieve certain goals? قم بقراءة النص حول بعض الأزواج الذين أصبحوا من المشاهير في التاريخ. هل تعتقد أن زواجهم جعل من الأسهل أن يصلوا إلى أهدافهم؟ طبعا بالنسبة لنمبر 1 إجابتي بتكون Mary Ann Bayret and her husband Antoine Lavoisier. من أشهر الأزواج اللي هم ماري آن بيريت وزوجها أنتوين لافوزير. قصتهم They are the founders of modern chemistry and have discovered that water consists of oxygen and hydrogen. هم مخترعين أو هم الذين أوجدوا الكيمياء الحديثة، وهم اللي اكتشفوا إنه الموية تتكون من الأكسجين والهيدروجين أو فيها أكسجين وهيدروجين. أما بالنسبة لنمبر 2 إجابتي هي In my opinion, I think yes, because after their marriage they cooperated and that made them reach success. في رأيي أجل زواج هؤلاء الأشخاص ساعدهم. ليش؟ لأنه بعد الزواج تعاونوا، هذا التعاون خلاهم يوصلون للنجاح. نبدأ بقراءة النص.
and Pierre Curie, 1894 to 1906. Maria Skłodowska was born in Warsaw in 1867. She was the daughter of a secondary school teacher. She studied in local schools and received some training in science from her father. Because women were not able to attend university in Poland in the 19th century, Maria left Poland to study at a French university in 1891. Now known by the French name Marie, she worked hard in a laboratory that was owned by Pierre Curie. Pierre Curie was born in Paris in 1859. He received his early education at home and then joined the Faculty of Sciences at the Sorbonne. He was promoted to professor in 1900. Marie and Pierre Curie got married in 1895. Although poor, they were devoted to each other and their research. Their studies of radioactive substances were carried out under difficult conditions. Their laboratory facilities were hardly adequate, and they had to do a lot of teaching to earn a living. In 1898, the couple discovered the elements polonium and radium. They eventually won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1903 for the discovery of radioactivity. When Pierre died in 1906, Marie honored his memory by continuing their work. In 1911, Marie Curie won another Nobel Prize, this time for chemistry. She was the first person to win the Nobel Prize twice.
Anita and Giuseppe Garibaldi, 1839 to 1849. Giuseppe Garibaldi was a leader in the struggle for Italian unification and independence. When Garibaldi was exiled from Italy, he fled to South America, where he lived for 12 years and fought in another struggle for independence, this time for the independence of Uruguay from Argentina. While in Brazil, Garibaldi married Anita Ribeiro, a young woman from Laguna, a small town in southern Brazil. As husband and wife, the two traveled everywhere together. It was known that Anita even accompanied her husband to battles. However, on August 4, 1849, Anita, pregnant and sick, died in Garibaldi's arms. Garibaldi never did get over his grief at Anita's death. Over a decade later, he was still grieving, when he first went to meet the king of a unified Italy, wearing one of her scarves.
ننتقل الحين لكويك تشيك. A vocabulary match each word to its meaning. قم بإيصال كل كلمة بمعناها. نقرأ الكلمات. Number 1 devoted واللي معناها مكرس. Number 2 excelled منفي. Number 3 fled هرب. Number 4 grieving حزين. Number 5 legendary أسطوري. Number 6 unfiction توحيد. A bringing together يجمعون أو يجتمعون. B run away يهرب. C dedicated مخلص. D famous مشهور. E forced to leave one's native country إجبار الشخص على مغادرة وطنه. F mourning حداد. الإجابات. Number 1 C. Number 2 E. Number 3 B. Number 4 F. Number 5 D. Number 6 A. ننتقل الحين ال comprehension. Answer the questions about the marriage from history. أجب على الأسئلة حول الأزواج من الماضي. نقرأ الأسئلة. Number 1 Why did Marie Curie leave Poland after school? لماذا غادرت ماري كوري بولندا بعد المدرسة؟ Number 2 Why were conditions difficult for Marie and Pierre Curie? لماذا كانت الأوضاع صعبة على ماري وزوجها بيير كوري؟ Number 3 Which discovery made them famous? ما هو الاكتشاف الذي جعلهم مشهورين؟ Number 4 How many Nobel Prize did they win? كم عدد جوائز نوبل التي فازوا بها ومتى؟ Number 5 Where did Giuseppe Garibaldi go after he fled Italy? What happened to him there? أين ذهب جوزيبي غاريبالدي بعد هروبه من إيطاليا؟ ماذا حدث له هناك؟ Number 6 Was Garibaldi's camping in Italy finally successful? هل كانت حملة غاريبالدي في إيطاليا ناجحة أخيرا؟ الإجابات. Number 1 Because women were not able to attend university in Poland. لأنه لم يكن مسموح للنساء بالذهاب إلى الجامعة في بولندا. Number 2 They had to work long hours in order to earn a living and their laboratory did not have a lot of facilities. كان يجب عليهم العمل لساعات طويلة لكسب لقمة العيش، كما أن مختبرهم لم يكن به الكثير من الأدوات. Number 3 The discovery of radioactivity made them famous. اكتشافهم للنشاط الإشعاعي جعلهم مشهورين. Number 4 They received a Nobel Prize for physics in 1903 and Marie Curie won another Nobel Prize in chemistry in 1911. قاموا بالحصول على جائزة نوبل في الفيزياء في عام 1903 كما أن ماري كوري حصلت على جائزة نوبل أخرى في الكيمياء في عام 1911. Number 5 He went to South America and fought for the independence of Uruguay. He met Anita there. ذهب إلى أمريكا الجنوبية وحارب من أجل استقلال الأورغواي وهناك التقى أنيتا. Number 6 Yes, it was. He also met the first king of a unfaded Italy. نعم، نجحت حملته كما أنه قابل هناك أول ملك لإيطاليا. ننتقل الحين to pair work. Discuss historically famous people with your partner. Choose a person who has changed the world for the better. Explain to your partner why you selected the person. قم بمناقشة شخصيات تاريخية مشهورة مع زميلك. قم باختيار شخص قام بتغيير العالم للأفضل، ثم اشرح لزميلك لماذا قمت باختيار هذا الشخص. بالنسبة لي ما لقيت شخص محدد، يعني الإجابة تعتمد عليك أنت. تمام؟ وبكذا نكون خلصنا الفيديو. See you next time.